Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet sunglass appliques that I made for my summer blanket. So you'll need black for the lenses, a color for the frames, I'm using pink, and then just a little bit of white that we are going to make accents on the sunglass. Also for the hook you will need a 4.0 millimeter hook or a G hook, and you also want some scissors and a tapestry needle. Starting with the black yarn, we are going to make a magic ring or a magic circle, chain 1, and make 10 half double crochets into the ring. Once you have your 10 half double crochets, go ahead and pull the tail end tight of your circle and join to the first stitch. The chain 1 will not count as a stitch. So we're joining to the very first half double crochet that we made. So this is a little hard to see because it is black yarn, but we are going to chain up 1 and make 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. That will give us a total of 20 stitches when we're done with round 2. Once we've done 2 half double crochets all the way around, go ahead and join to the first half double crochet in the round. And we are going to change colors. So I'm going to cut the black yarn, give myself a few inches, and attach the pink or the frame color that I want my sunglasses to be. So I'm just going to pull through this new color, take the tail end of my old color, pull it tight, just make a little knot. So now we are on round 3. We're going to chain up 1. And we are going to half double crochet into the next 15 stitches. So 1 half double crochet into the next 15 stitches. So once you've done 15 half double crochets around, you should have 5 stitches remaining. Now we're going to make the top of the sunglass, and what we're going to do is chain 2. We're going to double crochet on the side of the half double crochet that we just made. So here's the stitch that we just made. We are going to double crochet into the side of it. So you could pick up 1 or 2 loops on the side and make a double crochet. Now we're going to double crochet into the remaining 5 stitches. And we're also going to double crochet into underneath this first space here. So you might be able to see there is a gap there. And we're going to double crochet into there. And then also into the side of this beginning chain 1. So go ahead and fasten off and make another one. I already made my other one. So you make 1, fasten off. This is the one I made and I fastened off. And this is my second one. When you get to your second one, don't fasten off here just yet. We're going to have to make the little bridge that goes in between the lenses. So for this, chain 1. Turn to the side, and we're just going to crochet into the side of this double crochet that we just made. So we're going to make 2 single crochets into the side of this. Chain 1, turn, and then just single crochet 1, 2 across, and then fasten off. Leave a tail because we're going to sew the lenses together. So here's my first lens, here's my second lens with the little bridge. So you can see the double crochets on the top is the top of the lens. So we're going to need a tapestry needle, so we can sew this edge onto here. So I'm going to hold this together, and I'm basically going to sew it on this chain 2 that we made over here. After we did our half double crochets, we chained 2 and then double crocheted. I want to sew it. I want to sew the bridge onto that chain 2. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go to the back so I can make a knot back there. And then the last thing that we have to do besides weaving in the ends is making the little sunglass glares. So all we have to do is take a little bit of white, tapestry needle, and I'm going to go from behind and just do a little line in each top corner. Just like that. And then I didn't knot my string in the beginning because I'm just going to tie both of them together back here. And do the same thing on the other side, on the top corner. Just like that. That's not too even. If I was really picky, I could take it out and do it again, but I'm not that picky. So I'm going to tie it in the back, cut off the excess, and then that is it. That is how you make little sunglass appliques.